Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I wanted to show you a really quick and easy card technique where I put squares of DSP onto a card front, and then I ran the whole front before I adhered it to the card base. And then you can put whatever sentiment. It could be any type of sentiment. Thank you, happy birthday, anything you'd like. So let me show you what you start with. A card base that is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. The first layer is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. The second layer is 4 by 5 1/4. And then 4 pieces of DSP that measure 1 1/2 squared. So let's start with a card base. Let's go ahead and fold that and burnish along the score line. We're going to layer these two together. I'm going to go ahead and bring out my Stampin' Seal. I put a little T on top just to remind me. Let's do a little adhesive just in the corners. I'm liking this new thin frame. What do you guys think about it? I usually do 1/4 of an inch, but I've been liking just doing a thin frame of it instead. Oh, I don't need to do that yet because I need to... Give me a second, sorry. Going too fast and talking at the same time. So let me get rid of this. Is an adhesive remover. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure out where we want to put our DSP. So I'm just going to do the kind of a repeat of it, kind of centering it. Like I said, I'm going to save the card until I actually know what occasion I'd like to use it for. And my glue is slowly coming out. So let's start with this one. And go ahead and adhere them. And you know, DSP has two sides, so you can decide which design you want to show. Both of them are kind of pretty, but I just decided to go with that. And I'll probably switch it up. I have a ton of DSP cut out ready for this. So that is your layer. Let's go ahead and use the Countryside Blossom embossing folder. So I'm going to stick the whole thing in, and I think it's a great look. I'll be right back. And just like that, we have it. Isn't that cool? The whole thing is embossed. Yeah, now I can go ahead and I'll put a little more than I usually do because it's embossed. Excuse me. And then adhere it. That's it. Quick and easy. What do you think? So many different embossing folders that you can use this on. Put that away. And you can make it look like a quilt. You can make it look like it's all embossed there. So have fun. Choose some really nice embossing folders and some DSP and have at it. If you like this video tutorial, please like, comment, and share with your friends. And thank you for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.